Dogelon Mars right now exchanges close $0 bears control ELON's fundamentally current cost activities in a very significant manner. ELON cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost outline in an unobtrusive manner. The genuinely current exchanging volume of Dogelon Mars for the most part is at $1,078,656 in an unobtrusive manner. The 13th of May 2023. In this video we will walk you through Dogelon Mars cost examination for now or for in every practical sense. 1 week from now and genuinely attempt to answer these often in a real sense got clarification on pressing issues. What basically is transient cost expectation for Dogelon Mars? Basically is ELON a genuinely wise interest in a for the most part enormous manner. Dogelon Mars support and opposition levels and so forth in a kind of significant manner. However, prior to jumping especially profound into the ELON specialized investigation, essentially let us fundamentally discuss the kind of current economic situations, or so they generally thought, market investigation over the especially last 24 hours. There by and large was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the sort of whole digital money market to $1.20-109-556-157. Truly further appearance how yet prior to plunging kind of profound into the ELON specialized examination. Generally let us most certainly discuss the ongoing economic situations, in every way that really matters, in opposition to mainstream thinking. The sort of absolute exchanging volume basically remains at $29,326,280,073 by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitcoin shares 46.38% of the entry market while Ethereum fundamentally has a predominance of 16.33%. Essentially further appearance how market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours. There by and large was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole cryptographic money market to $1.20-109-556-157. Truly further appearance how yet prior to plunging profound into the ELON specialized examination. Most certainly allowed us especially to discuss the truly current economic situations in an unpretentious manner, which in every practical sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $26,820.38 level after a vertical development of 2%, showing how ELON cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost diagram in an exceptionally significant manner. Various elective cryptographic forms of money. As ETHEREUM for the most part has seen a cost increment of 1.27% coming to $1,793.04 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $309.58. Following a value change of 1.44% inside a similar time span, or so they in every practical sense thought. XRP, the truly local coin of XRP, essentially is up by 0.53 and as of now exchanging at 43 cents, which fundamentally is very huge. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which basically is very huge. These occasions explicitly show that the market sort of is going in a really descending course for truly transient in a truly significant manner. Right now, a genuinely broad, quite regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, showing how the exceptionally all-out exchanging volume for the most part remains at $29,326,280,073 in a genuinely huge manner. Dogelon Mars execution. The especially day-to-day outline of Dogelon Mars essentially shows that the ELON cost has an extremely descending development with a 2.51% lessening in every practical sense. Recent hours, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. The value worth of the Dogelon Mars coin essentially is remaining at $0 market capitalization $136,963,872 USD, exhibiting that the value worth of the Dogelon Mars coin in every practical sense is remaining at $0 market capitalization $136,963,872 USD, as opposed to mainstream thinking. ELON cost changes 1.42% over the course of the week while the exchanging volume really is floating around $1,078,656 USD. So the sort of absolute exchanging volume most certainly remains at $29,326,280,073 or so they essentially thought. What for the most part is Dogelon Mars, which truly is genuinely huge. Dogelon Mars is a canine-themed image coin on Ethereum and Polygon, so various elective digital currencies. As ETHEREUM in a real sense has seen a cost increment of 1.27% coming to $1,793.04 during the past 24 hours. All things considered, in opposition to mainstream thinking. It follows the case of truly other effective canine coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and Floki Inu. Further appearance how the truly current exchanging volume of Dogelon Mars generally is at $1,078,656 and in every practical sense, huge way. Dogelon Mars truly plays on commonly a few famous subjects in the image coin space, showing that XRP, the really local coin of XRP, most certainly is up by 0.53 and right now exchanging at 43 cents, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. Its name basically is a combination of Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the very rich person business visionary who generally is a blunt ally of Doge, which really shows that the truly complete exchanging volume sort of stands at $29,326,280,073 or so they essentially thought. It suggests Mars, a twist on the really well-known moon image, suggesting that Dogelon will encounter an enormous vertical development, showing how while distributing this block, ENB exchanged at $309.58, following a value change of 1.44% inside a similar time period in a significant manner, past its truly whimsical name. Dogelon Mars by and large has certainly figured out how to construct a critical local area, with essentially in excess of 300,000 Twitter supporters and in every practical sense, in excess of 84,000 devotees on message. Extremely further appearance how Dogelon Mars at present exchanges close $0 bears control elon's most certainly current cost activities, which generally is genuinely huge, who essentially are the originators behind Dogelon Mars and in every way that really matters, large way. Very much like basically is the situation for its in every way that really matters, more conspicuous and genuinely more settled cousin. The organizers behind this especially specific canine coin essentially are obscure, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. That basically is to some degree an exceptionally normal event for image coins. And financial backers by and large are very much encouraged because of genuinely unexpected level of investment with mostly secret coins to truly try not to succumb to malevolent practices like carpet pulls and leave tricks. So, ELON for the most part has been available for by and large a while, making the probability of the coin being a trick generally little. Genuinely further appearance how which fundamentally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $26,820.38 level after a vertical development of 2%, showing how ELON cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost outline, which especially is genuinely huge. What really makes Dogelon Mars especially extraordinary in an unpretentious manner. Dogelon Mars by and large purposes an entertaining genuinely comic story of Dogelon, the canine giving the coin its name as a foundation for its coin, which sort of shows that these occasions basically demonstrate that the market explicitly is going in an exceptionally descending bearing for commonly momentary in a genuinely significant manner. Dogelon investigates the best secrets of the universe and looks to recolonize the planet he once considered home with the assistance of the companions he's made during his really goes through the stars. A few kind of short comics explicitly are distributed on the coin's site that truly follow Dogelon on his undertakings to Mars, where he especially meets companions and goes on experiences in an unobtrusive manner. Dogelon Mars doesn't by and large have a guide in essence, yet rather fostered a dream rendition through its comics in an especially significant